New rotor's been fitted and now it's okay. That's what the problem was. Now turning again. Drum looks pretty good still.
And all of a sudden I said, what do you mean by that? Well, it's a terrible story. Every night they were working, they go, she said, I'm going to go ahead and do everybody's dirty laundry. She brought a bunch of other guys stuff with them too. And just to get a few hours to do that before that night.
Brand new rotor.